Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me see. Alright, come here, you close eyes. You're the tiger, right, honey?
Yep.
Okay. Let's make sure. I don't want to reverse them.
He's the reindeer. And me and Gigi.
And you're the reindeer.
Me and Gigi kind of look alike. And
You
in
do.
class, everybody calls me
You do?
Yeah, because we're in the same class. And Haley's in our class too.
Oh, yay, girl.
That's why.
Come here, close eyes.
And that's what you lay back. Ouch.
Don't squeeze. Sorry. I am so excited that you girls are getting these. This is so good. Okay, good.
And we know each other because we're neighbors. Yeah, white eye.
Okay, so which rainbow do you want? Do you want the neon or do you want the true rainbow? You're gonna go for the true? Okay.
Wait, which one's in that one? The true?
This is true rainbow.
Okay.
They're both super pretty, so.
Can I put the mirror?
You wanna see the mirror?
I know, right? Oh my god!
You're so pale.
Some of it's going off because my eyes are watery.
Your eyes are watery. Oh,
Yeah.
let me help you then. Let me help you. Oh, very watery here. Is that better? Poor thing. Here, I'll help. I'll come back to you. Let me get the rainbow on my friend, the tiger. Poor reindeer got drippy eyes.
Because my
I'm
eyes
so
are
sad. So sad.
What is that getter?
Tiger and reindeer.
Can I see these?
Okay,
I know which one is.
Tiger. So we have to sparkle you right away, honey. So close your eyes and don't open, don't open, don't open, don't open, don't open. Good girl. Good.
After them, can I have my look for them? Wait, Reese, can I see? I can already see the glitter.
I'm gonna give you your tiger teeth. Okay, I'm gonna let you dry for a minute, little
Your
tiger.
fangs. Just fangs.
Okay, let me see. Let me go back to my beautiful girl. Let me see what's happening here. Okay.
You have white eyes. Can
Alright, let me see. No, she's not. She needs stripes and all kinds of stuff. But it's good for her to dry a little before the stripes.
I'd like to win.
Are you gonna have a red nose or a black nose?
The same as Daddy.
Okay. Red.
I don't have those hair. Once, when I went to get, to Costco, and when me and my dad and my sister were leaving, we saw 3 deer out in the
did?
field.
Here, close your eyes. Close your eyes for sparkles. Watch out, I don't want to get you. Don't open, don't open, don't open.
Yeah, don't open.
Don't open, don't open, don't open. Don't open.
Look at it, Look at it,
Okay.
buds. Oh, Dad.
Okay. And here you go. Come here again. Can you close your eyes? The other side. Okay, you dry for me for a minute, okay? Okay, my friend the tiger.
Oh, yeah. I know.
Oh, what?
I love the
I do too, Abby. Very cool. Reese, you got the deer too.
Okay, sweetie pie. You close your eyes very softly. Don't open until I dry it, okay?
Something wrong with your right eye. I like the ones that are like dead blue where they take the eyelids. You see those ones? Guys, oh, where's that?
Yeah. Show me. Hi, Reese.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I think Ella's a good girl at our first date. Yes.
Look at Gigi.
Hold on, I'll see you in a second. And there's an Ola. Who's a shorter?
Elsa. Anna. Reese, can you not?
They don't shut that tight.
Can you come closer? When you do your mouth lines, honey, so hold nice and still. Okay, don't move.
Yeah, they did. Mommy!
You look cute.
Me and Gigi are doing it at the same time. We're not leaving.
Kirby's not with me.
Why does it say Abby?
I think her name is Abby. Miss Abby Tape. Portraits.
I think my favorite LOL. What number are you at? 4? I'm 10. Who's 5? 7, 8, 9.
Who's 7?
Kayla, what's your favorite LOL though? 7? What's always Gigi? 8. Oh. 8 Gigi. 8 Gigi. 8
Okay, keep eyes closed. Don't open. Okay, good girl. Okay, you dry for me.
I have Lacey. Wow.
Okay, watch out that I don't poke you with this, okay? Close eyes. As soon as your eyeshadow's on, honey, I'm gonna dry it. So just don't open. Don't open.
She's a funny person.
Okay, don't open. Go try it. Boop.
Yeah. That's what the white was for.
Oh, are your eyes gonna be drippy again? Here, softly close. How about this one? Soft, soft.
Where are you going now?
Let's see. Where are you going? Come here. Come back. Where are you going?
She's Jewish.
Gotta do your nose. Right? Now with Rudolph you can have red, black, gold, or dark purple, or silver lipstick? What do you think?
On silver
You
lipstick.
get silver? You're gonna go silver? Red nose, silver lipstick, right?
Okay, well, she has to go first because she's been painting.
Who got the reindeer? Yeah, Addie has kind of.
But you're having silver lipstick, right? Okay.
Well done. Oh, we got a silver and blue. Oh, Reese, you look French. It tickles.
It does.
Butterfly.
And you try for a second. I want to do a little more with my tiger, okay?
Mommy, look it.
It's really cute.
Hold nice and still, Baba.
I would love
You're about to kiss the mirror.
lipstick and then I eat drink. And then you're like, oh, yeah, wait till you're 19. That happens again.
Oh, so pretty, girls. Okay, put your heads together. Let me see ya.